We're sure you've enjoyed many of our trips around and tours of the apparatus. Now we're going to move on to something a little more serious, fire safety. This one we're going to start out with our friends from Upper Providence Township, and we're going to talk about barbecue safety. But first, we're going to check in with a classic clip from our old friend Chevy Chase.
I tell you, it's going to be some vacation, huh, kids?
Yeah, Dad, sure.
Come on, Rusty, give me a hand and set the table.
Mom, why can't Audrey ever do it?
Audrey has company. Rusty, come on.
Wait a minute.
Clark.
Okay. Let's light them up.
Barbecue safety is no laughing matter. My name's Brandon Siska, and today I'm here with Chris Steiger and Steve McCoy to talk to you about barbecue safety. Every year, 10,600 home fires start as a result of grills. In addition, 9,500 thermal burns occur each year as a result of proximity to grills. The first thing we're going to talk to you today is about your propane cylinders. Propane cylinders should be stored in an upright position. This will accommodate an appropriate vapor space as temperatures change. Prior to starting your grill, you're going to want to check your propane cylinder for leaks. In order to see this demonstration done, Google how to check your propane cylinder for leaks. Prior to using your grill, you want to make sure that it is clear of any fat or grease buildup. You also want to make sure that it is a minimum 10 feet away from any structure. You want to make sure any pets and or children are a minimum of 3 feet away to you prior to starting your grill to make sure that no burn injuries occur. When you're starting your grill, you want to turn all your burners to the ignition position. Once you turn all your burners to the ignition position, you then want to hit your starter switch until the grill burners ignite. If the grill burners do not ignite and or the burners go out, you want to wait a minimum of 5 minutes before trying to reignite your grill again. Many fires start as a result of unattended cooking. If a grill fire happens to occur, you're going to grab your fire extinguisher and you're going to deploy the PASS method of using your fire extinguisher. That stands for pull, aim, squeeze, and sweep. You're going to pull your pin out, aim your nozzle at the base of the fire, squeeze the lever, and sweep from side to side. As you're doing this, you want to back away slowly from the grill that's on fire until you're at a safe location. Never go back to what's on fire. When you're finished grilling, it's important to make sure that it is completely cooled off before you cover or move your grill to another location. If you have a charcoal grill at home rather than a gas grill, we're now going to go over some charcoal fire safety tips with Chris Steiger. Chris?
Hey, thanks, Brandon. Hey everybody, my name is Chris Steiger, and I'm here to talk to you guys a little bit about the charcoal versions of our grills, alright? It's a little bit different than your gas grill. This one uses these charcoal looking rocks, alright? So, there's a couple different methods that you can use to go ahead and start a grill like this. One is using newspaper and just a standard household lighter. You can use your charcoal starter fluid, alright? You don't want to use any type of gas. You don't want to use any other fuel sources of that nature. Just kind of stick to these. That's what it's designed for, and it's, you know, used on this particular grill. Aside from that, sometimes you have different electrical grills at home that you can use. They do make an electrical version of this. You want to have an extension cord plugged into your house, run it to your grill, and plug it in that way. Once your fire is started, you want to be sure not to add any more fluid or fuel or anything of that nature to it. Once it's started, it's doing what it has to do. You can start cooking your hot dogs, hamburgers, whatever else you guys like to eat. So, aside from that, just a few other safety tips. When it comes to children and people around your grill, try and keep them a little bit further away. I would say about a minimum of 3 feet away is a good number. And you also want to make sure your grill isn't near any type of structure, a minimum of 10 feet away from a structure. Once you're done grilling, you got the burgers and hot dogs all finished, everybody enjoyed, they ate what they wanted to eat, make sure you let the rocks cool down before touching them, all right? Once everything is cooled down, then you can safely utilize a bucket to dispose of your charcoal rocks and any other items on here. Make sure you clean off your grill, put everything into that nice metal bucket, and you're safe and good to go. Thank you, everybody, and have a great day.